10,000 tokens crushed down to 1,200. Same answer. This is Headroom, and it just did that to a live Claude Code request. The open source community running it has already saved 59 billion tokens. That is over $200,000 gone from people's API bills. It is the context compression layer for AI agents. 60 to 95% fewer tokens, library, proxy, or MCP. Local first, reversible. Let me show you. Here is the problem. Every modern AI agent drowns in its own tool outputs. Giant JSON blobs, 1,000-line logs, search dumps, whole files. Your model only needs the signal, but you pay for all the noise, every single token on every single turn. And on a model like Opus, the tokens it writes back cost 5 times the input. The bloat is everywhere, and it compounds fast. So who is this for? Anyone running coding agents daily, anyone juggling several agents at once, and anyone watching their token bill climb. Headroom sits between your agent and the model and compresses everything the model reads before it is ever sent. Drop it in 3 ways. As a Python or TypeScript library, one call, compress, as a proxy with 0 code changes, or as an MCP server for any client. One command wraps your coding agent, Headroom wrap Claude, and the best part, the compression is not dumb. It plugs into the stack you already use, LangChain, the Vercel AI SDK, LighterLM, the OpenAI, and Anthropic clients, each with a one-line wrapper, because it is smart. On real agent workloads, a code search dropped from 17,000 tokens to 1,400, 92%, gone. An SRE debugging session, 92%, GitHub triage, 73%, and accuracy held on GSM 8K math, 0 change in the score. It even held up on the hard benchmarks. 97% answer accuracy on squad and 97% on tool calling, while still cutting the tokens. People noticed. Here's the star history on GitHub, straight up and to the right, trending across the whole platform. So how does it work? Your request flows through a pipeline. First, the cache aligner. It pushes the volatile stuff, timestamps, and dynamic context to the end, so the stable prefix stays put and the provider's cache actually hits. Then the content router inspects each tool output and sends it to the right specialist compressor, JSON here, code there, logs over here. All of it runs locally. Your data never leaves your machine, and nothing is lost for good. Which brings us to the algorithms. Smart Crusher handles JSON arrays. 1,000 item result becomes about 50. The ones that actually matter. It keeps the first and last, every error, every statistical outlier, and anything matching your query. I ran it myself. 16,000 tokens down to 5,000, the crash looping pods still right there. Code gets an AST-aware pass. It keeps imports, signatures, and types, compresses the function bodies, and guarantees the output still parses. Images route through a train classifier, 94% accurate. That picks a strategy per query. One image can go from 765 tokens to 85, and logs 5,000 lines of passing tests collapse to a couple hundred, but the one fatal error and its stack trace always survive. In my own run, a code search went from 5,000 tokens to 400. That is 6 specialized compressors, one for every kind of content. JSON, code, logs, diffs, HTML, and plain text. Now here is a trick most tools miss. Remember those expensive output tokens? Headroom trims those too, straight from the proxy. It quietly steers the model to be terse and stop reprinting your code. And it dials down deep thinking on routine steps, like resuming after a file read. New questions still get full effort. And it never fakes the number. It reports an honest estimate with a confidence range or a measured one if you leave a control group. Now, compressed usually means gone, not here. This is CCR compress cache retrieve. The originals stay in a local cache. If the model decides it actually needs the full data, it just calls a retrieve tool and gets it back. Reversible by design. There is even Headroom Learn. It mines your failed sessions and writes the fixes straight into your cloud.md file. The agent gets smarter over time, and there is shared memory across agents. Claude, Codex, and Gemini read from one deduplicated store, so what one agent learns, the others get for free. Enough talk, let's run it. pip install Headroom AI, then Headroom wrap Claude. The proxy spins up locally on port 8787. I pointed real Claude Code traffic through it, and here is the actual log 1 request. 3,500 tokens crushed to 661% on live agent traffic. One heads up, if you're on a Claude Pro subscription, the proxy can compress, but Anthropic blocks routing that token. Bring an API key for the full end-to-end run. The compression itself is completely real. It already wraps Claude Code, Codex, Cursor, Aider, and Copilot, and anything OpenAI compatible works through the proxy. And unlike the hosted compressors, Headroom runs on your machine, covers every kind of content, and is fully reversible. Nothing ever leaves your laptop. So that is Headroom. Same answers, a fraction of the tokens. Local, reversible, and it works with the agents you already use. It is open source, Apache 2.0 on GitHub right now. The link and the docs are in the description. If this saved you some tokens, hit subscribe. This is Prompt Engineer, and I'll see you in the next one.